Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.